Trust the science. Even science that's been debunked for decades is still taught in school textbooks like the English Peppered Moth example described by Bernard Kettlewell. Here's the story. There's two kinds of English peppered moths, black and white. Before the 18th century, about 95% of them were white, about 5% of them were black, because as the story goes, birds could easily see the black ones on the light-colored trees. But then came the Industrial Revolution, and as factories produced smoke and soot, the light-colored trees turned black, causing a reversal in the moth population, because now it was the white moths that showed up easier on the newly darkened trees. Is this macroevolution in action? No! Because English peppered moths don't rest on tree trunks. And in the day on the underside of branches high up in the trees, out of sight from prey. Decades of research has resulted in only a handful actually being found resting on tree trunks. So why do we see pictures like this in school textbooks? Because these were dead moths glued to trees. And Professor of Zoology Theodore Sargent actually admitted to helping Kettlewell do it so that he could film the TV program that first introduced it to the public. Kettlewell manipulated the data to obtain the desired results. Even evolutionists have admitted to hoax, including L. Harrison Matthews, who wrote the introduction to Darwin's Origin of Species. So why is this example still used in textbooks? Well, evolutionist Eugenie Scott admits that if students heard criticism of evolution, they might end up not believing in it. Look, this isn't about not trusting science, it's about not trusting untrustworthy, compromised scientists intentionally pushing fraud for political, selfish, or anti-God agendas. You know what an evolutionist and an atom have in common, don't you? They make up everything.